Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a birthday card using the Wildflower Birthday Specialty Designer Series paper, the Birthday Celebrations bundle, the stamp set. No, not the bundle, just the stamp set, because we're going to be using the Everyday Arches dies. But we're going to be using other things from this suite of products, the Wildflower Birthday. We're going to be using what is the Party Dots and the Open Weave Trim, okay? So, Happy New Year, everybody. We only have, what, 6 more days until the catalog goes live. So, these will stop being sneak peeks and you can see it all for yourself and purchase some things. Now, these dies are online exclusives that will also be available January 7th. Okay, so before we get started on our project today, we're going to go over some buzzworthy business. We have our Hearts for You paper pumpkin kit. You have until January 10th to subscribe to get this particular kit that's going to make 9 cards and comes with the Real Red Classic Stampin' Spot. Spring is in the Air dies add-on is available for $12. The item number is 166237. These dies are going to coordinate with January, February, and March paper pumpkin kits. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. You can also go to my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com to subscribe, to join my team, to start shopping, or see all the updates and all the things that I have made using Stampin' Up! Products. That is all of our buzzworthy business for today. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on our card. We have a blueberry bushel base here that's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. Take our bone folder and burnish that score line down. We have another piece of blueberry bushel that is 3 1/8 by 3 1/8 here. We have some soft sea foam. This is for the inside of our card. This is 3 1/2 by 4 3/4. And also for the inside is some basic white that is 3 3/8 by 4 5/8. Okay. We have a lot of designer series paper. Not a lot, but more than enough. This designer series paper piece here is 5 1/4 by 4. Then we have a 1 1/2 by 5 1/4. Then we have just a scrap because we're going to do some stamping and die cutting on this one. And then we have a piece for the inside that is 3/4 of an inch by, we're going to cut it down to 3 3/8 of an inch, okay? And we also have a 3 by 3 piece. Now this piece of designer series paper is from the sheet that is a cut apart in this designer series paper pack. They have one sheet that is cut apart. Then we also, and you get 2 of those. Then we also have 2 of the die cut pieces, but this is the one you have to cut apart, okay? So all of that, woo, let's get started. Let me get some scrap paper because we're gonna stamp on the inside of our card and I don't want to get any ink on my surface here. So I have some Pretty in Pink ink and I'm gonna stamp this little banner, this little party banner in Pretty in Pink. And make sure it gets all inked up. And we're just gonna put that right across the top of our cardstock. That's all we need that for. Let's get some blueberry bushel and we're gonna stamp Happy Birthday. So let's stamp our happy. And let me see if I can get this on here straight. Happy Birthday. I love the font in this stamp set. Maybe I should have put this in the pink. We'll do it in blue. Happy Birthday. Okay, and now, nope, I need this for one more. We're gonna stamp on this piece of designer series paper here. This is our scrap, and we're gonna stamp Make a Wish. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and close up the ink. Now all the stamping is done. We can just put stuff together. Let's go ahead and put the inside of our card together. We're going to put our little designer series paper here at the bottom. Go ahead and cut off our overhang. And I'm going to have to use liquid glue on here, so I'm just going to make sure I don't rub it too hard when I'm putting it on, because sometimes that makes those little lines. We're just going to use a little bit because I ran out of stamping seal and I have to order more. We're going to layer this onto our soft sea foam. Just like that. And we're going to go ahead and add this to the inside of our card base. This is so pretty already. Goodness. I like it. Happy birthday. Okay, that's the inside. Now let's go ahead and get our designer series papers here. I'm going to put these two together. I love this side too. This paper, this catalog, this mini catalog, the January to April 2025 catalog. Oh my goodness. I love just about everything in it. Just about everything. If not everything, I just couldn't get everything, but wasn't too much I didn't want to pass up. Everything was so pretty. Okay, so we have that on there. Just a little bit of overhang. Get that all evened up. Because I need to add our open weave trim. This is the gold open weave trim, and I'm going to just layer that right over top of that piece of designer series paper down the middle. Get some tear and tape here to adhere it to the back of our paper. Just going to put that down. Making sure it's still where it's supposed to be. Just put it down. Just like that. And now we can go ahead and add this to our card base. Ooh. Stay on there, but bring off the backing. Okay. Now, let's put some glue on this. I want to make sure I put glue on that tear and tape so it'll give me time to wiggle things in place. Make sure my card is going the right way. Add this right to our card base. And there we have that part done. Then we're going to take these two pieces and layer them together. This is so pretty. Can you see those little swirlies in the background on the soft sea foam? Now I have to decide whether I want to pop that up or not. But before we pop that up or lay it flat, let's die cut this piece. So let's get the mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. Get our plates here. And we're going to be using one of the smaller dies from the Everyday Arches. And I want to put it more this way. Just want to try to get it straight. Oh, I have ink on my finger. How did that happen? Let's see. Give me some washi tape. Try to hold that in place. And we're running it through. Hopefully it stays straight. Okay, here's our piece here. Looks pretty good. And I know I want to pop this up. And we're going to put this about right here. I'll use this piece because it's like the faded out peach pie. And there's just the tiniest bit of peach pie right here. So I thought I'd bring this color in. Okay. Pop this up. I'll pop this up. I think I'm gonna pop both of them up. So let me get my Stampin' Dimensionals. We're gonna put them back. You guys know I like to use a lot of dimensionals. 2 more. That's good. Get my Take Your Pick tool because my nails are gone and it's not. I'm not even pulling the backs off. Oh. Okay. So let's go ahead and add this to our card. Try to center it there. Okay, now let's see where we're going to need our dimensionals. So down here in this side. Come on there. Let's see. Is that good enough? I think it is. Wow. I'm not going to use a lot of dimensionals on this little piece. So let's put some liquid glue up on this part that's going to be layered on top of here. We're going to put it right there, just like that. We're going to get our scissors and cut off this overhang. I put it on a little crooked, I see. But you guys know me and straight. Oh my goodness. We don't get along. Okay, let's get our party dots. So I used everything in this Wildflower Birthday suite except for this dies. Where's my opening? So these come in Pool Party, Peach Pie, and Pretty in Pink. Where's the take your pick tool? Which color do we want to use? The Peach Pie, or let's use Pool Party, because we have the Peach Pie, we got the Blueberry Bushel. I don't know. I think I want to use the Peach Pie. I think that's what I want to do. Let's get another small one and put it right here. And that is our card done. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. Make a wish. Happy birthday. That is super cute. Well, that is our card for today. That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later.